I'm Hitesh Parmar from Realum Intermediates. We are a Bombay-based company dealing in construction fasteners and related products. Realum Intermediates, we started in the year 1998 and we are based out of Mumbai, and we import construction fasteners from Taiwan and all other related EPDM gaskets and other products from Australia. We sell quality roofing fasteners which are used for long-term benefits. These fasteners are used for longevity and durability for the steel building. Fasteners are the weakest link in a steel building, and that is the only thing that holds the entire building envelope. So a quality fastener is very, very important. Most of the companies in India at the moment use only zinc-plated fasteners, which should be used inside the building and not outside. And that is one of the the reasons why there are a lot of roofing failures happening now. www.roofix.in is the website name where you can connect with us.